Hello, everyone. Thank you for our Forex Signals video. This is the Forex Pip Builder. Trusted Forex Signals. Your success starts here. Accurate Forex Signals, independently verified results, and much more. Join this system. Get a 20% discount. Click on the link in the description box. This is brought to you by Bob James, lead trader. Meet your Forex mentor, Bob James. Over 10 years for Forex trading experience, Bob is the lead trader behind 1000 Pip Builder. He worked for one of the leading financial services institutions in London and has over 10 years of experience as a skilled Forex trader and mentor. He now wants to bring his expertise to a wider audience and help make home traders make a success of Forex trading. This is a unique opportunity to learn from a seasoned trader and follow the trades taken on Bob's own trading account. Bob is highly proficient in fundamentals and technical analysis and uses his sound judgment to identify key trading opportunities. He believes that a deep understanding of market forces is critical to successful Forex trading. By joining Bob Forex Signal Service, you'll be given the opportunity to tap into that knowledge and learn from his vast experience. Primarily a trend trader, Bob likes to focus on maximizing returns from flowing price movements and considers it essential to focus on high probability opportunities. Bob's key strength is his ability to interpret price movement and discern what is really happening behind the scenes. The aim is then successfully translated this information to wing trades. Bob is committed to providing the best Forex signals and help you achieve your Forex trading goals. Become a member of 1000 Pip Builder and take your trading to the next level. Four reasons to join our service: proven performance, high performance signals verified by MyFX books, expert analysis, reliable signals from an experienced trader, 5-star rated, recommended by happy members, full support. We are here to support you all the way. Trades per day, 2 through 7 pips, monthly target 350, 10 plus years of experience, 15 currency pairs. What are Forex signals and how they can help you? Follow the trades of a professional. Are you new to trading and want to get a head start? Or maybe you have been trading for a while but have never made a profit. If so, then daily Forex signals could be exactly what you need to fast track your success. The truth is that Forex trading is hard. It requires years of experience, and every trade requires detailed analysis of technical and fundamental factors. This is why only a handful of traders ever achieve their goals. But don't worry, 1000 Pip Builder 1000 Pit Builders was started with the aim of helping traders like you. We will do all the complex analytics for you and your whenever a trade is taken on our fund. We instantly send you an email and an SMS with all important details. We include entry price, stop loss, and take profit level, so you can be sure that you can follow exactly what we are doing. We want to make it easy for you to see how an experienced Forex trader tackles the market. By following the trades of a skilled Forex trader, you will be able to see exactly what it takes to conquer the Forex market and reach your trading goals. 24/5 signals, daily Forex signals for all time zones. Bob is based in London, United Kingdom, and trades the Asian, US, and European sessions. There are normally trading signals throughout the 24-hour period, so whatever time zone you're in, these should be signals for you to follow. Many members are only able to follow part of the day and still receive plenty of Forex trading signals. Now, how we'll help you master Forex trading? Easy steps that will transform your trading. Learn how our Forex signals work. Easy step-by-step guidance, everything you need to follow the signals. When you sign up for our Forex Signals service, we will send you a detailed email explaining exactly how our Forex signals work and what you need to do to follow them. We will make everything as easy as possible and will work through everything you need to know. Follow our Forex trading signals: clear, entry price, stop loss, and take profit. Receive signals at home or on the go. We support you all the way. Full help and support provided. Ask as many questions as you like. Become a Forex trading success story. Achieve your Forex trading goals. Grow into an independent Forex trader. Start receiving the best Forex signals now. Click on the join button in the description box below. Performance test. Our trading plan aims to produce strong and consistent results with minimal drawdown. We use a number of trading strategies, and each strategy is specially tailored to different market conditions. Our trading strategies have made an incredible 6,500 pips over the 24-month test period. Professional Forex traders are experts at managing risk, and we make sure that each trade is very carefully controlled. We always use tight stop losses and closely monitor our positions to maximize our results. Independently verified trades have been monitored and tracked by MyFF books. 1,000 pit builders demo. United States dollar, IC markets, technical mix, track record verified, trading privilege verified. Performance test signals are sent by email and SMS. Get the best trading signals. Go to the description box below. Click on the information. And if you're looking to be a part of our Forex success story, go ahead and click the Join Us Now button. Thank you.